Well, after having 10 days of almost a political vacation, having a lot of fun and frolic in that Eagleton resort in Bangalore, these 44 Congress MLAs finally boarded a flight in the middle of the night at around 2:35-40 a.m. and landed at Anand in Ahmedabad. The Congress MLAs returned to Gujarat from Bangalore. Republic has been the only channel tracking each and every move of them closely. That too after having almost 10 days of fun. The Gujarat MLAs are currently en route to another resort in Anand. Now, Republic has been following these MLAs from Bangalore to Gujarat. Remember, the election for the Rajya Sabha for Gujarat is slated to take place tomorrow. It's a big test for the political might of Ahmed Patel, Sonia Gandhi's political secretary. My colleague Priyanka joins me on this broadcast. Priyanka, yes, so what else are you picking up? They, I believe, are en route to Anand on a highway. They are going to be put up in a resort till tomorrow, these 44 Congress MLAs. Priyanka.
So as you can see right now, Sakal, we are following the convoy. There are, 52 vehicles of the police protection vehicles that have been put up with the convoy, and they have said that the security will be beefed up. And we have been told that the police inspector, two at least gunned, armed police inspectors, will be on each MLA for this convoy. And as you can see, as we approach the convoy nearby, there are more and more vehicles who have gathered here. These are also NSUI workers who are also following the convoy very closely, and also these police protection vehicles are also there. At least 52 of them, we are being told, that are following the convoy, will be with the MLAs throughout the day when they will be staying in the resort in Anand. It's a Nijanand resort that they will be staying in, and the only particular reason of them coming here today was because of Raksha Bandhan, and we're being told that the family members will also be going to the resort, and there will be a whole celebration today for them. So this is the last day actually before the Rajya Sabha elections that take place tomorrow. So this is going to be a big day for them, because after 10 days in Bangalore, after partying in Bangalore, it seems like they're going to be continuing to do so in Anand as well, one day before the Rajya Sabha elections. All of them are still being tight-lipped. Nobody is talking to anybody. Even when they were coming from the airport, as you can see, I think exclusive visuals we're getting, that these police vehicles many of the police vehicles are there. So one of the questions that is being raised is why is so much of security being given to these MLAs when
Absolutely, Priyanka. There's so much of money that has been spent on this entire. There's so much of money that has been pumped in as far as the entire security bandobast and entire security beef up is considered. Is it only to protect these MLAs from alleged poaching from the BJP, or there is something more to it? I mean, you have spent so much of money to have this kind of security. Each MLA will have at least 2 guards on them.
So this is what we're being told is it's because of the security of the MLAs, because they were allegedly being harassed by the BJP leaders. And what we're being told right now is that the security will only continue till the Rajya Sabha elections. So this is also something that BJP is trying to call the bluff of the Congress party as well. They're saying that the security has been provided to you, everything is being done. But even then, the Congress MLAs were not allowed to get back. These security detail had been put up at the family members' houses as well. But even then, they were not allowed to come back. So BJP is also in a way calling their bluff, saying that we have given you security, we have given you this much, manpower to you, these armed forces that are with you. But the question remains that why is so much of security being given to these MLAs? I mean, they're going to be in a convoy, they're going to be in the resort, and even after that, there are going to be at least 2 gunmen for each MLA that is going to be present there. So this speaks volumes on the the importance of the Rajya Sabha election for the Congress and how much they want to kind of go out of their way and make sure that the MLAs are not talking to anybody, they're not being approached by anybody, and they're also saying that this will be a completely closed door event today when all these family members will be gathering at the resort and all these families will be coming for the Raksha Bandhan, in fact. So of course the security is there, and like we can see that there are at least 52 of the vehicles here present right now, coming all the way from Ahmedabad to Anand, and they're going to be continuing with this detail, and they're going to stay with the MLAs throughout the day. So all of this security, all of this procedures being done just for the MLAs. So of course there's a lot more to it than just the protection of the MLAs, like you said, and it remains to be seen as to what tomorrow what's going to happen, because in Rajya Sabha elections these MLAs were not allowed to talk to anybody apart from the allegations by the Congress saying that they were
the politics behind it, Priyanka. We're going to talk about the politics behind it, the implications, and what is going to be the likely plan for these 44 MLAs. Are they going to be holed up in that resort in Anand, or there's something more planned for them? Priyanka, be with me on that story as you follow the carcade of these 44 MLAs to that resort in Anand. And now let's just quickly play out these reactions, Priyanka, that you picked up early in the morning at the airport. Ahmed Patel, Shakti Singh Govill, the who's who of the Gujarat Congress, GPCC, in fact, talking to media. Priyanka, I'm going to get back to you in a bit. Let's listen into some reactions first.
Yes, 100% we are confident. Yes. Yes. You have seen. No. All are with us. Okay. Yes.
है, देश की जनता का आशीर्वाद है, और जरूर आप देख रहे हैं कि 44 MLAs लोकशाही बचाने की लड़त लड़ रहे हैं, 15-15 करोड़ ठुकरा के आए हैं यहाँ पे। सभी को they are duty bound, constitutionally they have to vote for the Congress party. Otherwise, 6 years disqualification for almost 6 years. तो सभी आएंगे और वोट देंगे। थैंक यू। हाँ, चालू कर दो ना, चलेगा। जल्दी। हाँ?
Will they be going to their respective constituencies? Sir, will they be going to their respective constituencies and meeting the people?
No.
Staying in different resort in Gujarat.
No, that is the party in Gujarat. After they land, the decision will be taken by the...
Sir, do you see this as a victory already, sir, for the Congress? Because several questions were raised, especially with the IT conducting a raid on you. Do you now see this as a victory? They've been here for all these days.
I don't want to speak anything on IT. If I just open my mouth, lot of things will come out. I am not going there because tomorrow I am having a cabinet meeting. I am having a cabinet meeting. My brother has to go to Parliament. So people are...
There are allegations that IT raid happened just because you took care of the hospitality of all these MLAs. What do you have to say about this?
I think you all have discussed various issues. I don't want to discuss things. Let me discuss that on later issue.
Are all MLAs now happy and united?
They have shown their solidarity. They are united. They have given us strength. They will give strength to the entire Congress party of this country. Huh?
You're sure Ahmed Patel will go to Rajya Sabha, sir? Will he be elected?
The numbers will tell you.
आप लोगों को घर जाने दे रहे हैं? आपको परमिशन मिल
जाने देने हैं कि हमारा कोई बंधन नहीं है बहन जी मेरे।
नहीं, आनंद में कोई रिजॉर्ट बुक किया गया
तो है, मेरे राखी बंधा के वापस आ जाएंगे और परसों मतदान करेंगे हम अहमद पटेल को जिताने के लिए।
अच्छा, यहाँ पे आप रिजॉर्ट में जब थे पिछले एक हफ्ते में बहुत सारे विजुअल्स निकले और ऑल्सो रिपोर्ट्स निकले हैं कि आप लोग वहाँ पे क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे, डांसर्स अरेंज किया गया था, कैरियोके नाइट्स थे। क्या
बिल्कुल गलत बात है ये, जब आपने बोला ना, ये बिल्कुल गलत बात है। बिल्कुल कोई डांसर्स नहीं बुलाई गई है, कोई क्रिकेट नहीं खेले गए हैं। हम हमारे काम कर रहे थे। हम हमारे पार्टी के जो JNLs के जो ट्रेनिंग देने के अगली चुनाव के लिए क्या हमें ट्रेनिंग करने की थी और सब कुछ करने के लिए हमें आया था, और कोई मजा नहीं की है। कोई रिसोर्स में डांसर भी नहीं बुलाई है, कोई ने क्रिकेट भी नहीं खेला है।
अच्छा सर, लास्ट क्वेश्चन, आप लोग जब बाहर आए आपने सब डीके शिव कुमार के फेवर में भी आपने चैंट किया स्लोगन्स, अभी भी आप उनको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि पिक्चर्स जो निकले, कैश स्टैश के पिक्चर्स निकले उनके दिल्ली, उनके जो एड है उनके घर से, असिस्टेंट के घर से 8 करोड़ तक पैसा मिला है, तो आप अभी भी उनको सपोर्ट?
ये तो बीजेपी की चाल है। मेरी बात सुनिए बहन जी, कि डीके कुमार जी एक मिनिस्टर है, ये इसकी जिम्मेदारी थी हमारे को रखने के लिए, इन्होंने जिम्मेदारी निभाई है। नरेंद्र मोदी और अमित शाह की वही सारे देश में ये गेम से चल रहे हैं। नरेंद्र मोदी और अमित शाह के गेम से हमें डरने वाले नहीं है, हम हमारे काम करते रहेंगे।
सर, आपका क्या मैसेज है? वापस जा रहे हैं आप 1-1.5 हफ्ते के बाद, वहाँ पे जो आपके कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसीज है वहाँ पे भी बहुत तकलीफ हुई है, फ्लड्स थे, तो आपका क्या मैसेज है आज जब आपके वोटर्स देख रहे हैं और आपसे अगर सवाल करेंगे कि आप कहाँ थे जब यहाँ पे फ्लड्स हो रहे थे, तो क्या मैसेज है?
हम जब वहाँ फ्लड हुआ था उस टाइम हमारे एमएलए वहाँ थे, उसके बाद यहाँ जब आए तब हमारे जो कार्यकर्ता हैं वो उधर फ्लड के लोगों के बीच में था।
पर जो मैसेज जाता है सर वहाँ पे जब फ्लड्स हो रहे हैं और यहाँ पे मतलब क्रिकेट मैचेस अरेंज किए जा रहे हैं, कैरियोके नाइट्स अरेंज किए जा रहे हैं, गाना वाना वगैरह, तो मैसेज जो जाता है कि जो उन्होंने इलेक्ट किया वो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स को, उनको कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है उनकी देखभाल करने में, है ना? नहीं,
ऐसा कुछ है नहीं। हमें मजबूरन यहाँ आना पड़ा है, क्योंकि वहाँ जब हम गुजरात में था और ये राज्यसभा का इलेक्शन होने वाला था, तब हमारे कहीं आदमी को जो पुअर थे उनको कहीं पैसा देके, कहीं वो जो अधिकारी हैं वो बिना मर्जी से गाड़ी में बिठा के लेके जाए अमित शाह के पास और किडनैप कर रहे थे। इसी वजह से हम यहाँ आए।
अच्छा, मेरा लास्ट सवाल आपसे ये है कि मतलब जो कैश स्टैशेस के फोटोज, जो नोट्स मिले हैं, करेंसी मिले हैं दिल्ली में, जो डीके शिव कुमार है उनके असिस्टेंट के घर में, उस बारे में आपका क्या कहना?
ऐसा कुछ है नहीं। डीके शिव कुमार जी अच्छा आदमी है और इनके अलावा कोई भी 2 नंबर मिले नहीं, और वापस 2 दिन में तपास होने के बाद हमारे बीच में आए थे। वो बहुत अच्छा आदमी है।
पर 100 करोड़ का टैक्स इवेशन भी किया, ऐसे हमारे सोर्सेस ने बताया।
तो किया होगा तब वो यहाँ से छुट के आया है ना।
तो आपको लगता है कुछ किया नहीं है? 100 करोड़
कुछ नहीं जी।
सर, आपका कल का क्या प्लान है? रिजॉर्ट जा रहे हैं, घर जा रहे हैं? जो दिल्ली में कैश स्टैश मिला था डीके शिव कुमार के पर्सनल असिस्टेंट के घर में, उस बारे में आपका क्या कहना है? आप अभी भी उनको सपोर्ट करते सर?
किसको?
डीके शिव कुमार को? आप राजभवन से जब बाहर निकले, आप लोगों ने सब स्लोगनियरिंग किया उनके फेवर में, अभी भी आप सपोर्ट करते हैं उनको?